In this video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp to your WordPress website with the Sticky Chat widget plugin. So from inside my dashboard, I am going to head down to plugins, add new plugin, and I'm just going to type here Sticky Chat widget. And the one I'm going to install is this one, Sticky Chat widget by Ginger Plugins. So what I'm going to do is hit install now, and it's installing. It has been installed. As you can see, it has 10,000 plus active installations. So I'm just going to activate it now. So it has now been active. So it's prompting me to subscribe to stay updated with the latest implementations. I can go ahead and do that, but I'm going to hit skip for now. So I now get a pop-up window that says create widget, and the widget title's default name is widget number 1. So I'm just going to run with that. I'm going to hit create widget. And as you can see, this plugin adds an element on the left side. It says Sticky Chat widget. And here is the section where I can customize this plugin. As with other plugins that I have reviewed on my channel, this plugin has several channels that you can add. For example, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Viber, Line, email, Telegram, and many more. In the case of this video, the one I want to use is WhatsApp, and that is the first one that appears. So I'm just going to go ahead and configure or customize it. The first field is to enter the phone number, and if I place my mouse over this question mark, it says that I should enter my phone number without any spaces and symbols. So that is exactly what I'm going to do here. And you can also customize the country where you're located, so you can look it up in the list. In my case, I'm just going to put my country. The next field says on hover text, and the default message is WhatsApp, so that is fine. The next button we have here is WhatsApp widget, so I'm just going to touch that, and it opens up a window where we can customize several options. It says WhatsApp chat widget is disabled. Click here to enable WhatsApp widget. So I'm just going to do that, and it enable the widget. And as you can see, it does have two options, WhatsApp widget and icon settings. So let me work under the WhatsApp widget options. The first one says WhatsApp icon. So if I wanted, I could just upload an icon. I'm not going to do that here. And the next option says header title, and by default it says need any help. And I can leave that, but I'm going to change it to something like got questions. And then the subheader title says let's chat on WhatsApp, and I'm just going to change that as well. So I'm just going to enter here chat with us on WhatsApp. And the welcome message, hi there, how can I help you? I'm just going to change that to something like hello there, what can we do for you? So it looks good to me. And then profile image, I could upload one too. I'm not going to do that. Name on display, you can add a name if you want it, let's say Bob. The next group of options here is icon setting. So now I'm going to move to the icon setting tab, and I have several options there. I can have it turned on or off on mobile and on desktop, and I want it on both of them. I can also upload a custom image. I can also change the background colors. As you can see, this is the color that is there, and the icon color is white. So you can actually change it if you wish. I'm not going to do that, but if you drag this up and down, it will change the color on default and on hover, as well as the icon color. This other option here, predefined message, has two options, page URL or page title. So let me just choose page title, and I'm going to type something like I read, and I read will be the page title. And I'm just going to put a comma, and I'm just going to type and need more info. So it will say I read page title, which is whichever title you have on that page, and need more info. These other options here, custom ID and custom class, these are for premium users, so I'm not going to mess with that now. From here, I can hit next or just go to the customize widget. But before, I'm just going to remove the Facebook Messenger channel and the contact form channel. And now I'm going to hit next. I am now on the customize widget section and I have several options. By default, I have the icon view, but I can also use list view or grid view, corner view, menu view. I'm just going to leave it as icon view. I can also choose an icon, but I'm just going to leave the default one. And position, I have left or right. I'm just going to leave it to the right. Position in mobile, that is for premium users. Icon view, vertical, horizontal. So I'm just going to leave the default one here. Then call to action says contact us, which you can clearly see there. You can change it if you wish. Let's say, for example, I put get in touch, and then this option here, show call to action, which is this, show call to action text all time or until first click. So I want to leave it to all time. The background color, you can change it if you wish. Menu animation, so it does have several options here, like slide, fade, spin, pop, and attention effect. It does have other options, like if you want it to bounce or to pulse or to spin, you can change that as you wish. The icon size is number 56 and the border radius 28. And the default state is click to open or open by default, whichever one you want to use. If I select open by default, I have other options like show close button. I can turn that off if I wish, or hide menu on close button click. I can also turn it off if I wish. So these are different configuration options. I'm just going to keep it on click to open. Then font family, I can actually change the font family if I wish. And as I go through these settings, I can actually touch this widget here in the preview section and it will show me what it looks like. I can also go to mobile and it will also display on mobile. Other options here, analytics settings. So you will have to upgrade if you want to use these options. Pending messages, you can actually turn that on or off. This is sort of a fake trigger that will let users feel that they have to reply or touch the WhatsApp icon in order to reply or to see what messages that they have there. So I can actually put a number of 10 and it will actually let the user feel like psychologically feel that they have to click here to answer the messages. So I'm just going to leave that to 3. And as I said, I can turn it on or off. So it's set to 3. And customize on hover text. I'm just going to leave all these settings as is. Now I'm just going to hit next. And I'm now on the triggers tab. And it says, when shall it show? After visitors scroll down X percentage on the page, let me just put 5% on the page. So when the user scrolls down 5%, then this WhatsApp widget will show up. Or I can also put after visitor has been on the page for at least 1 minute, 30 seconds, or something like that. I'm only going to use the first trigger and hit next. Now I'm on the targeting section, but all these options are for premium users. So if you upgrade, you could choose if you want it to display on all pages or select the pages, or you could set a calendar which days you would like this WhatsApp widget to show. Also on which dates should it show, and for which countries should it show, and for which users should it show. Now I'm going to hit save changes. It says widget is updated successfully, and it seems that I have finished customizing my sticky chat widget. So now I am on my mobile device and I'm going to see how this sticky widget works. So what I'm going to do is to open up my WP Chat Solutions site, and at a glance I don't see any WhatsApp widget at all. But I'm going to scroll down because I know I configured it that if I scroll down 5% it will appear. So I'm just going to start scrolling down here to see what happens. Hey, and as you can see, I do have the get in touch WhatsApp widget there, and it does show 3
pending messages. So what I'm going to do is to just touch this icon here. It brings up the widget. It says, got questions? Chat with us on WhatsApp. Hey there, what can we do for you? And it says, I read how to add WhatsApp. So it's giving me the title of the page where I was, and I'm just going to hit the send button, and it should open up directly on WhatsApp. As you can see, it comes up with the message that says, I read how to add a WhatsApp pop-up chat to your WordPress website. That is definitely the title from the post or page where it was open. So I can just go ahead and hit the send button now, and the message has been sent. So as you can see, that is how to add WhatsApp to your WordPress website with the StickY Chat widget plugin. But now stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.